Hey guys, Antonio from Uncle Tito's at our Springfield location. Get ready to make apple cider margarita with me. Today we're going to use our in-house special Corazon tequila that we personally went down to Mexico and hand selected the bottle. It's a reposado and it's also kept in the Weller barrel. So very, very delicious. If you guys haven't had to try it, make sure you guys try it. So first up, we're going to go in the back, make the batch for it, and then we're going to come back here and make the drink. So come on. So right now what we're going to be doing is just adding the ingredients to the apple cider mix. Going to need apple cider, apples, cinnamon sticks, light brown sugar, pumpkin pie seasoning, apple pie spice, and then ginger. And I have some 100% apple juice. So first step, just get all your cider in the pot. Apple juice. Sprinkle in your apples. You're gonna put in like about, depends on the size of the cinnamon sticks, like 20 to 25 cinnamon sticks. 3, 4, 5. Trying to put some sprinkle some pumpkin spice, some apple pie, and then some ginger. No measurement. We can't give that away. Practically it. Then time to boil it. Want some low heat, that way you can get everything nice and cooked and good. Takes about 45 minutes to an hour and we're ready to add it to the margarita. So for this apple cider margarita, we're gonna use our in-house exclusive Corazon barrel. We need 3 ounces. Tequila. We have some apple cider already in here. Shake it up. Some cinnamon sugar on the rim. Garnish it with the apple. And some caramel syrup. Ready to enjoy. And that's our apple cider margarita. If you guys want to learn how to do more drinks, just like and subscribe for this.